So we've obviously already gone through one MTD, Making Tax Digital with VAT. What impact is the next aspect of MTD going to do?
So this MTD task is for income tax. So it will be looking at individuals with self-employment income and rental income, and it will involve them having to do more submissions in a year. So they'll have to do 4 quarterly submissions plus their final tax return declaration as normal. So it will involve clients going on to a cloud software and doing these quarterly submissions, which will involve them sending sort of P&L, profit and loss reports to HMRC.
When we run a business, and we're dealing with businesses on a constant basis, every day in, day out, up-to-date information is the key to running a successful firm. Once people get into the software, they realise the benefits, they see the benefits. We can have conversations with people on the phone looking at the same thing, rather than them having to send us a Sage backup, which we then have to load up. And in that time, someone's probably already put through another invoice or something. We can have conversations over the phone.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's be honest, change can be scary. And business owners, if they've been running a business a certain way and then suddenly the government come out and roll out a new process, it's scary. And I think what's important for business owners to realize is pulling it back to this whole being on top of your numbers, planning ahead, being in control. Actually, fully embrace it. There's no need to be scared. It's positive growth for you and your business. And having an accountant to support you through that change is exactly the support that you need. It takes us back to going in the right direction for your business.
Absolutely. Thank you.
And being on the cloud allows us to then have that real data to be able to do the tax planning.
So tax planning, not just a yearly thing. Let's have your paragraph to sum it up.
I think for me at the moment, the most relevant thing is Making Tax Digital for income tax. And I think clients should embrace it, use it as a tool to help them with their tax planning, help them grow their business.
I don't think tax should be seen as a problem. I mean, if you've got a high tax bill, you're doing something right.
Yes.
And if you work with a good accountant who can help keep that to a minimum, using all the tools available and all the legislation, you're onto the right thing for your business.
And I think for me, the most important thing is that there are various taxes. Don't just plan for one, make sure you're encompassing all the various ones that will affect you and your business.